In this video, we will show you how to schedule email in Outlook. To schedule email in Outlook, it's very easy. First, you need to open your Outlook. Okay, but if you're using the older Windows, maybe your Outlook is out of the date. So you can try to updating your Microsoft Outlook. How to do that? Just click the link on the top right corner of this video. You can see how to update your Microsoft Outlook for the newest version. With the newest version, you can have scheduled email. To schedule your email, just click new email here. And please click to, for example, we will send email to this person. And this is just test and test for schedule email. Okay, to schedule the email, you can just click this arrow. Okay, click more and click schedule send. Okay, this is the predefined date, but you can custom your time. For example, we will send in the 26th here and select a time. You can using this time, for example. I let it by default. And after that, you can click send. Now, your email has been scheduled. How to see your email? Okay, you can go to the draft and you can see here. You can click this, and this is test for schedule email is will sending this Friday, but this Friday in 26 you can see in the calendar in the 26 at 8 a.m. Okay, that's all how you can schedule email using Microsoft Outlook. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.